Noise, a major occupational health concern, is a part of everyday handling, processing, and testing of construction materials. OSHA standards require lab environments to be free from recognized hazards that are causing or are likely to cause serious physical harm. That being policy, OSHA estimates that over 8 million U.S. workers in the manufacturing sector alone were occupationally exposed to daily noise at high levels, and that personal protection should be considered only as an interim noise control measure. The National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health's Occupational Noise Exposure Publication includes recommendations that focus on preventing occupational noise-induced hearing loss, including identifying areas or operations where excessive exposure to noise occurs. The best method of noise reduction is to use engineering modifications to the noise source itself. Here at Gilson, high-quality materials testing equipment carries a high expectation that it will perform the task it was built for and meet the requirements of relevant ASTM or AASHTO standard test methods. Gilson believes that good materials testing equipment design should include not only reliability and convenience, but also lab safety, which will only result in increased overall efficiency, production, and more importantly, worker protection. For example, the Gilson Silent Testing Screen, designed for a quieter and cleaner screening operation. The rugged housing is lined with sound attenuating material, and its sealed front doors and top lid keep noise and dust in check. Testmaster testing screens have a sound deadening enclosure and a counterbalanced operation that reduces operational noise levels and dust. Gilson silence sifters are advanced rotary sifters that use sound attenuating materials and quality sealed cabinetry that greatly reduces noise levels and virtually eliminates dust during operation. Gilson's vibratory sieve shakers can be an effective alternative to many shakers with mechanical agitation for some applications. Their mechanisms are often quieter while providing separations on particle sizes within a limited range. Gilson's Los Angeles abrasion machine is designed to mitigate the high noise levels by enclosing the sealed rotating drum within a sound attenuating steel cabinet. And Gilson offers sound enclosure steel cabinets in a variety of sizes that are lined with sound attenuating foam to house a variety of noisy and/or dusty machines, including sieve shakers, testing screens, and other materials testing equipment. For any questions about reducing noise levels in your materials testing lab, or for any Gilson product, please contact your Gilson technical support team.